On a quiet evening, a girl sat at her desk, sketching in a diary, but her eyes kept drifting toward an old clock on a table. Its ticks felt louder now, almost whispering, almost alive. Curious, she reached out, winding it gently, and in that instant, time swallowed her whole. She opened her eyes, not in her room, but in a strange forest, shimmering with colors she had never seen. A teeny glowing creature appeared. It spoke. To return, you must face the Tower of Time. There it stood, distant, glowing, yet pulling her closer. She began walking, each step heavier, each sound iconic louder. Her path ended at a broken bridge, Dot crept in. But with a single breath, she jumped and landed safe on the other side. Her hands trembled. She wished to run. With courage, she lifted her sketch, and her art burst into light, dissolving the shadow completely. Finally, she stood before the tower, its great face glowed like a mirror. And in that instant, time swallowed her whole. And in that instant, time swallowed her whole. She smiled. The secret of time now belonged to her. And faintly, the clock still whispered